since I made a video, but I'm back at it, and this one should be a banger. So as you can see right here, we got my 240 loaded up on the trailer with my truck. We got Colin's 350 down there loaded up on the trailer with that truck. And tomorrow we have a private day at Orlando Speed World. So that's going to be pretty cool. I'm going to try and get as much footage as I can. I've never actually drifted at OSW, so it's a first for that, which is really cool. Something kind of funny, crazy is you can see behind me, I know it doesn't say it anywhere, but we're actually at Disney right now. We ended up actually getting 2 hotel rooms for free basically, and we're actually staying here Saturday night, and our drift event is tomorrow, Sunday at 1. So we're just gonna stay here, enjoy the night, and in the morning drive an hour to OSW, which is awesome. So yeah, I'll pick this video back up in the morning, and see you guys then. Also, big shout out to Tom for renting us both these trailers, this 20-foot and that 24-foot. I'll throw his Instagram or any social media in right here. All right guys, so it's Sunday morning of the drift event. So as you can see, we're leaving the hotel right now. About to take my car, Colin's car, and head to OSW. See you guys when we get there. Alright, so as you can see, we made it to OSW. We got me and Colin's cars off the trailer, and we're about to help Kevin get his off right now. Alright guys, here's our first lap. I'm out of gas, I'm an idiot. Alright, so that's actually the last video I got of my car, or any car in general, because as you can see, my car is having some problems that day. So I'm going to go outside and I'll show you what I've tried to replace to try and fix the problem, which it's still not fixed. So yeah, let me take you outside right now. So as you can see from the videos of me driving, I still don't know what the car is doing. For some reason, every time I come around a left turn, when I try and get back in it to transition, it loses all throttle response. It's like I don't have any throttle, goes full lean as if I'm letting off throttle, and for about 5-10 seconds, it'll just sputter when I try and give it gas. But as you can see, I can get back in it on the straight, on the back of the track, and it'll be fine. So I don't really know what's going on. I tried to change the fuel pump, the MAF, the spark plugs. I did all that at the track, still didn't fix it. So yeah, we're back home now. It's been about a week since the event. I got another set of plugs. I changed the fuel filter down there. I changed the fuel pressure regulator back there. I don't really know what the problem is. So I'll throw in another video. I went and drove the car yesterday after I changed all those things, and it'll give you a better representation of what the car is doing. So as you can see, it's almost like I'm hitting a limiter. It's only in high boost, so low boost from 10 pounds and under, it doesn't do it. when I put it in high boost and I hit like 14 and a half pounds, it'll start stuttering and like a limiter, like hitting like a limiter, like you can see in the video. So I don't know what that is. I'm still trying to fix it. I don't think I told you guys, but I actually got a new fuel cell. So I have a theory of why it's doing it. I could be wrong, but I don't know if you know before, but I used to have a bottom sump fuel cell, and I changed it to a top port. So this is my return line. This is just a vent that goes under the car, and then this is my feed line. So this, in the tank, there's a pickup tube that goes down to the bottom back here, runs down over here. Then I have an inline fuel pump on the side right there. So like I said, I used to have a bottom sump tank, so my lines, my return and my feed, used to be down here. They used to be on the bottom of the fuel cell. So what I'm thinking is, maybe, because this happened right after I changed the fuel cell, maybe my fuel pump isn't strong enough to pull fuel up the pickup tube and then into the fuel system at that high of boost. Maybe I need a stronger fuel pump, because with the bottom sump, pretty much gravity is always pushing the fuel down to the fuel pump. Because my fuel pump is mounted on the bottom of the fuel cell, the fuel is always pushing down and coming out of the fuel cell, you know what I mean? Instead of this fuel cell where the fuel pump is on the bottom of the fuel cell and has to actually pull the fuel up the pickup tube into the fuel lines. So I don't know. That's my only other theory right now. So still trying to fix it. Don't know what's wrong with it. I just want to drive this car, but hopefully I can get it fixed pretty soon. Hopefully there's another event. I'll even, I'll go to Showtime. I don't care. I just want to drive this car. So I'm probably gonna end this video here. Just wanted to give you guys a little clarification of why I didn't post anymore, or why I didn't take any more videos of that day at the drift event. So I'll have some of Colin, Kevin, and some other people. I'm sure you've already seen that though. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully I can get this fixed pretty soon, and I hope to see you guys pretty soon. See ya.